Okay, so to start the ChuckDraw drawing, you're going to want to go to your week 7 content page. At the bottom, you'll see ABC size drawing sheet. So I've already pulled that up. I have that here. So it states in the directions to use the C size sheet. So I'm going to go to C size. Okay. That's only at the end. We're not going to be drawing in here, we're going to be drawing in the model view. So starting at the model view, I'm going to pull up the drawing for ChuckJaw. So to begin ChuckJaw, I would always start with the front view. So I would start with the left side. So you start with a line. Going up, it says about 2.75. At the top there, it says go over 1.75. I'm way out in nowhere here, so let me move this